This is a really easy recipe for Larb Gai, which is Thai or Lao minced meat salad. And what you want to do is take the ground chicken and mince it all the way through and cook it all the way through on the stovetop. And then you'll want to get all the other ingredients ready, including the chicken skin. Make sure that the lemongrass is chopped really finely, as well as the herbs and Thai chilies. And then what you want to do is add in the padaek, which is unfiltered fish sauce, and the toasted rice powder. And then you're going to go ahead and add in all the herbs and all the other items and make sure that you mix it all the way through. It's really also important that you get the lime and juice the lime into this minced meat, because that is what gives that kick. There's the fish sauce going in, and then what you want to do is add as much red chili like powder that you want to put in, and not red chili powder, it's like the pepper powder. And then you want to mix it up and make sure that you get all the different ingredients in there. And padaek you should not skip, because that's what makes this dish delicious. And then go ahead and pour it all in, mix it all together, and serve with sticky rice. And make sure that you steam the sticky rice really well and prior to making this dish. This is an authentic and delicious dish.